In this session, I'm going to talk about least common multiple and greatest common factor. Firstly, we can talk about LCM. So I go with this example first. And 8 and 6 find LCM value. So there are two methods to find LCM. So I go with the first method. The first method is write number 8 here and find all the multiples for number 8. So 8 starting from 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 54, 60, so on. And number 6, what are the factors multiples for number 6? Starting from number 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So you can see now 24 is the 24 is the common multiple for number 8 and 6, and also we can see number 48 also a common multiple for both number 8 and 6, but we are looking for least value. So least value is number 24. So 8 and 6 least common multiple is number 24. Look at the next example. Right, find 6 and 9 least common multiple. So 6, write down all the multiples for number 6. Starting from number 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Right, and then number 9, we can write 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, and 72. And common multiples are number 18, number 36. Yeah. So common multiples are number 80 and number 36. But we're looking for least value. So least common multiple is number 18. Right. So I hope you got this one. And then we go to the second method, and I show you how to find that least common multiple using the second method. So what you have to do, you write down this number is 8 and 6, right? 8 and 6, find least common multiple, and then write down 8 and 6 like this, and then you have to divide both numbers using prime numbers. So our first prime number is number 2. So starting from number 2, here 4 and 3. So 4 is dividing by 2. Again, you have to take 2 and then 2 and then 3. Again, you can use number 2, 1 and 3. Now, my next prime number is 3. So here 3 is here, and then we use number 3, 1 and 1. So 8 and 6 least common multiple is you multiply all these factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3 is 24, right? And then we go to the second example, 6 and 9, lowest common multiple, and then 6 and 9 you write here, and then we go with that first prime number 2, because 6 is dividing by 2, and then 3, 9. Again, we are not taking number 2 because 3 and 9 is not dividing by 2, and go with the second prime number, which is 3, and 3 and 9 dividing by number 3. So go with number 3 now, 3, 1 and 3. Again number 3, 1 and 1. Until you get 1, 1, you have to divide all the numbers by using prime numbers. So what you have to do now, you have to multiply all these factors. 2 times 3 times 3. So answer is 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. 6 and 9 least common multiple is number 18, right? Okay. So in the future sessions, I'm going to use this method because I personally prefer using this one, right? Okay. Now next one is greatest common factor. So here, say for example 16 and 24, you need to find the greatest common factor. So you write 16 here and then find that all the factors in number 16. So what are the factors of number 16 is 1 times 16 is 16, and 2 times 8 is 16, and then 4 times 4 is 16, and what else? No, we don't have other factors for number 16. So these are the factors 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So the next one, number 24. So what are the factors of number 24? So 1 times 24 is 24, and then 2 times 12 is 24, and 3 times 8 is 24, and then 4 times 6 is 24, and 6 times 4 is same thing, and then right. Now we need to find, now that's it. So we need to find the common values, common factors. 1 is common, right? 2 is common, 4 is common, and then 8 is common. That's it. And then what is the greatest common factor? So greatest common factor, which is number 8. So 16 and 24, the greatest common factor is number 8, right? And then the next example, and 16, 15 and 35, we need to find the greatest common factor. So 15, again the same thing. 1 times 15 is 15, and then 3 times 5 is 15. Do we have any other factors of 15? No, we don't have. And then go to the next one, 35, and then 1 into 35 is 35, and then 5 into 7 is 35. We don't have any other factors, and then we need to find the common factors for both values. 1 is common and 5 is common, but we're looking for greatest common factor, which is number 5. I hope you understood this method properly. And also I would like to introduce another method as well, and then look at this. So we need to find, so method 2, 16 and 24, we need to find first, we need to find all the factors of number 16. How to find? We need to divide by prime numbers. 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, and 2 times 1. So these are the factors of number 16. At the same time, I find the factors of 24 as well, 12 and 6, 3 and 1. So let me write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 24, 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, and 3. So we need to mark now the common factors. 2, 2, 2. Those are the common factors. So we need to find it 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, right? So greatest common factor is number 8. So the next one is 15 and 35. 15 and 35, and then so we need to find again, we are using the second method. So 15, you need to divide by using prime numbers, right? The first number is 2, but 15 is not dividing by 2. Then go with the next one, 3, 5, and then 5, 1. And then 35, again 2, not, I can't use 2, and then 3, no, again 5, 7, and then again 7, 1. So we can write down 3 into 5 here, then 5 into 7, right? So what is common? Number 5 is common. So 15 and 35, the greatest common factor is number 5. I hope you understood this lesson very well, and we can continue from the next one. Thank you.